You will need a paper plate, feathers, a scrap of pink paper, scrap of black paper, a scrap of pink glittered card, pencil, glue, brush for glue, little pot for glue, scissors and a hole punch. Turn your paper plate upside down, then draw a line with a pencil roughly about halfway down the plate. Before you reach the lip of the plate, continue drawing upwards, following the edge of the lip. This will be the long curved neck of your swan. When you are about 5 centimetres from where you first started, draw a curved line to the very edge of the plate. Using scissors, carefully cut along the lines you've just drawn. Cut off chunks at a time if it's easier, or get an adult to help you. To make the beak, draw a small triangle onto some pink paper, then cut out. Apply a line of glue along one edge, then stick it to the underside of the swan's head. Press down for a few seconds. Use a hole punch to punch out a circle from black paper to make an eye. Glue the back, then position the eye on the swan's face. On the back of a piece of glittered card, draw a simple crown shape. Cut out, then stick to the top of the swan's head. Apply some glue to the swan's body, then place on a feather. Glue on as many feathers as you like. We added 2 pink feathers on top of the white feathers. Don't forget to check out the Ideas Hub for even more inspiration.